Welcome to my channel guys. In this video I will tell you how to change language in Capcut app. So it is easy and simple, so please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, when you open Capcut, then you can see setting icon on the top right corner. So tap on this. After tapping on the setting icon, you can see a complete list of many options. So you should have to tap on app language option on the top. And here you can see the complete list of all the languages which are available in CapCut. So if your language is available here, you can select it. But if it is not available, you can't select. So after that, simply tap on the language and then tap on the done option to select your own language. So that is the method. Hope you will like this video. Thanks.